If you need to give someone access to your GoDaddy account, this video will show you exactly how to create a user in GoDaddy step by step in just a few minutes. This is super useful if you want a team member, developer, or assistant to help manage your domains or products without sharing your main login. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple how-to videos like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings. This is where you'll find the access and permission options for your account. On the Account Settings page, find and open Delegate Access. Delegate Access is the feature GoDaddy uses to invite another person to access your account safely without needing to share your password. Next, click Invite to Access. Now you'll see a form where you can enter the details for the person you want to add. Type in their name and email address carefully because GoDaddy will send the invitation directly to that email. After that, choose the access level. You'll usually see options like products and domains or domains only. If you want the person to manage everything in your account, choose products and domains. If you only want them to work with your domains, choose domains only. Pick the level that matches what they actually need to do, so you keep your account secure while still giving them the right access. Once the name, email, and access level are filled in, click Invite. GoDaddy will send an email invitation to the user right away. Now the next part happens on their side. The user needs to open the invitation email from GoDaddy and click Accept Invitation. After that, they'll be asked to sign into an existing GoDaddy account or create a new one if they don't already have one. Once they accept, they'll be added as a delegated user and can access the parts of your account you allowed. That's it. You've now successfully created a user in your GoDaddy account using Delegate Access. This is a great way to collaborate with a team, hand off website management tasks, or let someone help with domain settings without exposing your main credentials. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.